other day I asked you a question. What's the most commonly used sound spoken by native English speakers? Okay, the answer is Okay, that's the sound. Okay, that might sound ridiculous to you, but even in that word, ridiculous, I use that sound. I asked some of my friends to pronounce 10 words from the English language. Every word that they say will have the schwa sound, the sound. Have a listen and see which vowels use the schwa sound.
Elephant.
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 Elephant. Elephant.
Across.
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 Across. Across.
Information.
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 Information. Information.
Central.
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 Central. Central.
Celebrate.
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 Celebrate. Celebrate.
Dragon.
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 Dragon. Dragon.
Survive.
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 Survive. Survive.
Bacon.
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 Bacon. Bacon.
Television.
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 Television. Television.
Banana.
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 Banana or banana. 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 Did you notice that all of the vowels from the English alphabet used the schwa sound, the sound? You may have noticed there was an A, an E, an I, an O, and a U. So I want to give you some tips on how to sound more like a native English speaker. Number one, just listen to how a native English speaker pronounces a word and then try to copy or imitate how they say it. Number two, if you don't know how to pronounce that word like a native speaker, you can type a word into Google. You can write meaning of, let's say, across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Underneath the word across will be some strange symbols. If you see the schwa symbol here, you know that A is pronounced as so the whole word would be across, across. And that's all for this video. I'd just like to say a big thank you if you made it all the way through. I hope I gave you some more knowledge about the English language. And another thank you is for the people that helped out in this video. Mary from America, Terry from England, Harry from England, and John from England. I'd also like to say thank you to the other people that sent me the videos of them, but unfortunately it was just a bit too late to make this video. And I will be making more videos, and I'll be having people from different countries helping out, so you can see the different accents, the different pronunciation, and different phrases from different countries. So if you want to see more, you can follow my Instagram, you can subscribe to my YouTube, and you can have a good day. Bye bye.